Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Avalanche bites. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Last week, I made mint chip Rice Krispie treats. Go make them, they're amazing. But it left me with a half-full box of cereal staring at me every time I went into the pantry, so I went looking for another recipe I could use them in and found this one on Brown Eyed Baker's website, which I've linked in the description. Looking at the ingredients, I imagine it gets its name from the avalanche of flavor that's going to crash into your taste buds. It's made with white chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, peanut butter, marshmallows, and of course Rice Krispies. I wanted a little extra PB punch, so I'm bringing some peanut butter powder to the party. Pickled peppers. No, there's no pickled peppers. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own avalanche bites, along with suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 12 ounces of white melting chocolate, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter powder, 1½ cups of Rice Krispies cereal, 1½ cups of miniature marshmallows, and 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. I also used an 8x8 pan, some parchment, a microwave-safe mixing bowl, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Place the chocolate chips in the freezer, add the white chocolate and peanut butter into the bowl, then microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring until everything is melted and combined. Add the peanut butter powder and stir until it's fully incorporated. Stir in the Rice Krispies until they're completely coated. Let the bowl sit on the counter for about 10 minutes. This is a critical step. If the mixture is too hot when you put the chips in, they'll melt and smear around, and it's not what we want. You want it cool to the touch, but still stirrable. We chilled the chocolate chips for a little extra protection. Gently fold in the marshmallows and chips. Transfer the mixture into the lined pan and press it into an even layer with your spatula. This will be a little easier if you grease the spatula. Place the pan in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes or until fully set. Remove it from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. Oh yeah, definitely an avalanche of flavor. The Rice Krispies add a nice crunch, and the marshmallows bring a light, fluffy, chewy texture. The white chocolate gives it a rich, creamy sweetness. The nuttiness of the peanut butter and peanut butter powder is spot on. And the little chocolate chips give you a blast of dark chocolate flavor that keep it from being too sweet. So if you're looking for a sweet treat with a peanut butter punch, you really ought to try these. I wanted to... If you decide to make your own avalanche bite... If you decide to make your own avalanche bites, as long with... And that's not what we want. Let it...